Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is psychology for nurses. And today we are going to learn about the emotion and the changes observed during emotional changes. Now definitely emotion is nothing but a stirred up state of mind or stirred up state of organism. Definitely individual can experience both the positive, pleasant or negative unpleasant emotions. Now whatever the emotion they experience, whatever the feelings they get, definitely the body will show a different kind of changes. So now we are going to study that. Now definitely body will show three kind of changes: physical changes, physiological changes and psychological changes. Now first is physical changes. Now this physical changes is also known as external changes, where others can see the changes. Now whenever I am under influence of some emotion, some changes what happen in my body others can observe. For example, I got a call. Hello. Yes, very bad news. I'm receiving a very bad news. Immediately I start to cry. See, my physical changes that can be noticed by others. So we'll discuss that. Under physical changes, we can see a facial expression. We can notice changes in your facial ways. The way how do you express your emotion through your face, your nose, your lips, your eyes, your chin, your cheek. All things are influenced with these emotions. Now I can give you an example, like if you're in anger mode, definitely your eyebrows are raised up and your face will become, lips will become red, your like teeth will be tightened. See, when you're under influence of any kind of sad feelings, you look down, your face is very pale, no much of feelings in your face. Or else if you are under influence of love or anything like a pleasant experience, a smile will be on your face, eyes are very shining. See, this is how a facial expression of emotion. Next is voice change. We can notice certain changes in your voice, tone, pitch, the way you speak, that all things will affected based on the emotion what you're expressing, what you're experiencing. Now whenever you're having sad feelings, you speak very low. Yes, see, your voice go very low in tone. Whenever you're angry, yes, tell me. See, your voice will raise. Your tone is increased. And whenever you're in a good mood, voice is very pleasant. See, now your voice will give a hint of your feelings. Now anyone come and approach you to speak, the way you react to them, your voice will give a hint to them that what emotion, what is your state of mind now. Gestures, the way your body shows, some body movements, certain body appearance will give an idea your emotional condition. Like in case of anger, you fist, you hold, you stamp, and all the body movements, muscular tension can be increased. And in case if you are experiencing any kind of situation, like you saw that dog, yeah, any dangerous animal, your body is getting ready to face that situation. See, emotion, a fear emotion, your body is getting ready, you lean forward, you wanted to run. See, this is how a gestures, body movements will show the changes. Then apart from that, so many miscellaneous changes can be noticed in a body. You may feel sweating, you may feel thirst, you may feel some kind of irritation, restlessness, or physical kind of symptoms you can experience. See, now this is called a physical changes during emotional influence. Second, physiological changes. It is also known as internal. Inside my body I'm experiencing. Now only I can feel that. Only I know that what's happening to me. Now this is what called physiological changes occurring during emotional influence. Like increased BP, increased cardiac rate, increased respiration, you feel yeah, what is that, tachycardia, tachypnea, and you feel some GI complaints like butterflies in the stomach, you feel indigestion, you feel that some kind of disturbance in your stomach, nausea, vomiting, in your mouth you may feel dry mouth, coated tongue, and also like you feel that much more energy is required to cope with the situation. And also you may experience condition based feelings based on the condition, like sometimes you may feel urinary urgency, again and again you may feel to go washroom, again and again you may feel to go to the toilet. See, feelings, these all are physiological changes what you experience. Third one is psychological changes. This is also called as brain and cognitive function changes. When the individual is influenced with emotional experience, certain kind of psychological changes can be noticed, like decreased attention, decreased concentration, poor performance at, you're not able to focus, you're not able to speak, you're not able to make a right decision, and you are restless, you don't know how to speak, you are not able to put your feelings into a words. Psychological problem. Psychologically you are not able to see the things properly, you cannot hear properly. See, when and whenever you're under influence of strong fear, you're not able to see properly what's there in front of you, you cannot hear, even someone is calling you, you're not able to hear them. Chances are there that individual may also experience illusion and hallucinations. Okay, then also like poor memory, not able to understand what others are talking, or else when they influence with the feelings like anger, aggression, they may harm others, they may break the rules and regulation, not able to follow the social norms, and chances are there that they may kill others or they may commit suicide. See, these all changes because of psychological emotional experience. Patient may like also like not oriented to the daytime place person, nothing. So this is what all the changes that your body can experience when you're under any kind of emotional experiences. So mainly, I'm summarizing, mainly we can see three changes: of physical changes, it also known as external change; physiological changes, this also known as internal changes; and psychological changes, it also known as brain or cognitive impairment. Okay, now this is all about what all the changes can see during emotional experience. I hope you understood. Please keep reading, keep watching. I'll see you in next class with a new concept. Take care of yourself. Thank you all.